Hello everyone, today we unravel the mystery behind SQL, a powerful language used for managing a database. But before we start, or before we begin, what is the meaning of database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data, like what you can see on my screen. This is an example of what a database. It is designed to be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Unlike simple data storage, a database allows for efficient retrieval and manipulation of data. From my screen, you can see that I have employee ID, full name, job title, department, business unit, gender, ethnicity, age, hire dates, annual salary, and so many others. All these are columns in our database. So database is all about tables where we have columns and we have the rows. Now what is the purpose of database? Database stores a wide range of information from text, numbers, to images, videos, and more. From my screen, you can see that I have a wide range of information on different manager, different technical architects on different projects entirely. More than 100 records. That is the use or that is the purpose of database. They provide a structured way to store and retrieve data, allowing for efficient search and management. Now, since we've known the meaning of the database and we've seen a sample of database from what you can see on my screen, what is SQL Server? Well, in our video for today, we're just going to be talking about how we can create a database like this and how we can insert a table in your database. That is what we'll be looking at for our video today. Now, what is a SQL Server? A SQL Server serves as a standardized language allowing users to perform various operations on database to perform various operations on our database. Its functionalities ranges from querying for data to updating and managing database efficiently. So now, let's learn how we can set up our SQL Server on our computer. I will drop the link below where you can go ahead and download your SQL Server. Here is the link. You can go here. You want to download your SQL Server first. I always use or I recommend Microsoft SQL Server because I'm a Microsoft boy, so that's why I recommend that. When you are on the Microsoft website, you want to scroll down, you'll see developer and express options. Anyone is fine for our tutorial today, for our video today and subsequent video. Any of these application or this edition is fine, is okay. If you want to download one of these editions, after downloading it, you want to install it on your Windows or your Linux or the Docker. You want to install it on your system. Next, you want to also download SSMS, which stands for Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio. You want to download this one as well and install it on your computer. After installing it, this is how your screen will look like. This is how your screen will look like. To be prompting you to connect to a server. So you want to click on connect. You want to click on connect and you'll be connected to the server. Now we want to learn how we can create a database. First of all, I want to talk about the basic SQL commands. We have 4 basic commands, which is to create database, to delete from the database, to insert, and to update. To create, to modify, to insert, and also to update. These are the 4 basic commands that we have on our SQL Server. To create, to modify, to insert, and to delete. Modify is another word for update as well. But today we're going to look at how we can create a database and insert a table into our database for this video. And next video, we'll be looking at how we can update and delete from our database. Now, if you've installed or you've connected to the server successfully, this is how your interface will look like. Because we are creating a new database, we want to click New Query. Yes, we want to click on New Query. When you click on New Query, this is how your system will be like, to open like this. Now, to create a database, we'll type create database. Then you include the name that you want to use to create the base. Which name would you like to use? For today's video, we're going to use FBO as the name. After typing it, when you hover your mouse to this execute button, you will see that there's a shortcut beneath it, which is F5 to continue to execute. You can either press F5 or you click on the execute button. So now let's highlight and execute. Okay, FBO already exists. Now let's change the name. Let's use FCC. Now let's execute. And you see a message saying that you have query successfully executed. Command completed successfully. So we have successfully created a database now. But our database is empty. Nothing is inside. So what do we do next? We want to create a table. If you hover to this other side, you open database, and if you refresh it, you see that we have our database right here, FCC, what we just created right here. If I open it, you see that it's empty. If I open the table, you see that there is no table. Now let's create a table. So first of all, if you bring your mouse to this side, you see that it's showing master. It's supposed to show FCC, but it's showing master. First of all, let's change the name to our new name, which is FCC. So we'll type use FCC. Then we execute. So automatically our name will change to FCC. Now whatever we are doing here to be infected in FCC. Now let's create a table. To create a table, we type create table. Then the name of the database is FCC. Now type create a table. What's the name of the table I want to create for? For the purpose of this video, we are creating it for FCC. So FCC. So another thing is you want to make use of your open and close parentheses, which is open and close parentheses. So you want to make use of the open and close parentheses, like what I just did. So all your commands, all your values will be in your open and close parentheses. So now we're creating a table for FCC. So first we have employee ID. It's going to be integer, which means numbers. Primary key, comma indicates, by using comma you are telling the database that we still have more instructions that we are not done yet with our instruction. So let's put more. Employee ID, full name, also have full name, we are assigning partial to it, which indicates the alphabets. Then how many characters would you like to use? So we are saying maximum characters. then common, then telephone number. We're using Vasha as well. Maximum, common, then salary. Salary will be floats. Salary will be floats. Floats because salary could come in decimal numbers. $2 or 20 points to 9 cents, 200.80 cents. It can come in decimal numbers, in points. That's why we're using float. That's the meaning of floats. Then comma. Lastly, age. Also going to make use of Vasha. Maximum. Now we are done. So we go to select. Go to select and run it. Executes. Okay, sorry. Executes. Command completed successfully. Now let's see our database. Let's see our database. To see your database, we have something called select. Select. Select star, which means you are selecting everything. That's what it means. Select star means you are selecting everything. From where? Where are you selecting it from? From FCC. Now let's run. Voila! You just created your first table, your first database. Here we have employee ID, full name, telephone, salary, age. So this is how you create your table using SQL Server. This is how you create your database, and this is how you create your table in your database. I hope you enjoyed this video. On our next video, we'll be looking at how we can add values to each of this table. How we can add the employee table, add the employee ID, add full name, telephone, salary, and age. That is what we're going to be looking at on our next video. If you like this video, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video as well so that it can be beneficial to others out there. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.